Hello and welcome to vthwealth.com. Let us understand the impact on the investors due to the 6 debit mutual fund schemes closed by Franklin Templeton India. Let us address the following questions one by one. What are the 6 mutual fund schemes being wound up? Franklin India Ultra Short Bond Fund, Franklin India Short Term Income Fund, Franklin India Credit Risk Fund, Franklin India Low Duration Fund, Franklin India Dynamic Accrual Fund, Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund. Total assets under management, all the schemes put together, is 26,779 crore. If you have invested in any of these 6 schemes, what will be the impact on you? Let us understand. Why winding up these schemes? The fund house has reported a liquidity problem. It means fund house has invested money in various companies and that money has not yet come back to the fund house. So fund house is not having enough cash to distribute to the investors. High redemption pressure. It means more investors are withdrawing the money from these schemes due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and due to the more redemption, company is unable to meet the liquidity demand. What is the impact on the investors? Suspension of purchase, cannot do new purchase. Suspension of redemption, cannot withdraw unit or money invested in these funds. Does winding up these schemes means that money is lost? No, money is not lost actually. Monies will be returned when the fund house is able to liquidate the portfolio. It means when the fund house is able to get the money they have invested, they will distribute the money to the investors. If fund house is not able to get back the money they have invested, the investors might lose part or whole of their investment. Is there any time frame to return the money to the investors? Fund house has not given any fixed time limit. They have said that they will return the unit holders money at the earliest possible time. When and how can existing investors in these schemes expect to receive their money? The following approach will be adopted in making repayment to the investors of their share in each scheme. Pay the borrowings and expenses liabilities first. Distribute the excess money to the investors. It means the liabilities, expenses and borrowings will be paid first, and remaining money will be distributed to the investors. The distribution will be in proportion to their share in the scheme's net asset after the accounting for liabilities and expenses. Once these schemes are suspended, will they continue to occur again till mature? These schemes will continue to occur again basis scheduled coupon payments and maturities, as well as undergo market movement till the schemes are completely wound up. Further, the portfolio in these schemes will continue to be valued as per the SEBI guideline, and NAV will be declared on all business days as per the normal process. What are expenses to be charged going forward? No exit loads will be charged. No fund management fees will be charged. However, the fund house will charge the expenses as per the SEBI regulation. What happens to the investors who have systematic investment plan, systematic transfer plan and systematic withdrawal plan in or from these schemes? SIP, STP, SWP will be stopped. No purchase redemptions will be allowed for SIP, STP and SWP for these schemes. Will there be any priority among investors while returning the money? All investors in the scheme will be treated equally in terms of payment of redemption proceedings. Will you prioritize among the schemes while returning the money? Each scheme has its own cash flow, coupon payments and maturities. Hence, investors in the scheme will receive the payments in accordance with the cash flow generated from the scheme they are invested in. It means if you have invested in scheme A, if there is a cash flow in scheme A, then you will receive the money. If you have invested in scheme A, there is a cash flow in scheme B, then you will not receive the money. What happen to investors with dividend options? There will not be any dividend declaration in these schemes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Visit our website vthwealth.com.